Welcome back, guys. I'm gonna be doing some chocolate covered strawberries. We are only a few days till Valentine's, and I've been wanting to do some desserts and some cute things to give out to my family, but they are super expensive when you try to go to edible arrangements. I've been always wanting to get some edible arrangements to give to my family. They are super expensive, and right now that we are literally a few days away from Valentine's, this is such a cute idea for you to give out either to your family. They are super simple to make, easy, and they are super affordable. I bought the whole packet of strawberries for $4.99, and I'm gonna be sharing with you guys how I make them. So if you're interested to see how my strawberries come out at the end, then just keep watching. Okay, let's start with an apron, super perfect for the occasion. Bought it at Walmart for $4.97. I love this. I've been using it like crazy. Super self-explanatory in here. Just wash your strawberries. I usually put some vinegar in it. White vinegar, didn't have none, and I used the apple cider vinegar, which it's the same, just to disinfect. And then I'm gonna be using melt chocolates that I bought at Michael's, a few sprinkles, containers to put the chocolate, parchment paper, and I'll be using the vegetable shortening Crisco. You can use any type of vegetable oil. It could be coconut oil, as long as you have some sort of vegetable oils to add into the chocolate, so it could be more runny and easy to manage. And then I'm just gonna be cleaning out my strawberries, so they have to be super dry, so that the chocolate could stick into the strawberries. And then I'm going to be heating up my melts in the microwave and alternating it for 20 minutes, and then adding the shortening in it, and just put it in the microwave until it melts. I did put it 3 times in the microwave for 20 minutes each. Depends on your microwave how much of a temperature it has. Mine, somehow it's not heating up correctly, and it's brand new. And then I will be putting down parchment paper, super easy to manage with the strawberries. You don't want to put the strawberries on a plate because the chocolate will stick onto the plate. And then I am going to grab all the green leaves from the top and just dipping into the chocolate. The chocolate has to be hot, but not super hot, just hot enough where it could still be melted. But if you have it super hot, it will drip just like the purple one. I know it looks like fuchsia pink, but it's purple. You kind of want to wait until the chocolate is in between hot and cold, kind of like in here. That way that the chocolate could stay in the strawberry and it's not runny. And then let's start decorating. I'm going to be using this little tiny bags that I have for decorations. Just add a little bit of chocolate, make a little hole, and then start decorating. This is one way to decorate, which I think it's easy, but I just don't like it. It's not my preference. This is the way I like to do it. That way you don't waste a lot of chocolate and you can still reuse it by heating it in the microwave, and it's much easier and more clean. You still have the chocolate in there, and then the decoration ends up, I feel like it ends up a little bit better than when you have it on the parchment paper down. And then on different ones, I am going to be adding a little bit of a sprinkles. So just dip in the strawberry on all the chocolate, and again, you can still grab your strawberry on your hand and add the sprinkles. That way you don't have to waste a lot of sprinkles. Or you can just put it down like in here and put the sprinkles. But again, you will be wasting a lot of sprinkles, and that's why I try to just use a little cupcake holder and then grab the strawberry and add the sprinkles. That way all the excess would fall into the cupcake holder, and then you can just put it back or reuse it on a different strawberry. And it's much easier, and you don't waste a lot. Like I said, you can reuse it and still can decorate a lot of strawberries. This was super easy to do, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. I know there's tons and tons of videos out there about strawberries, but this is my way of doing it. I hope you enjoyed this. I have a few more decorations in here that has the X and the O. Totally forgot that I had them, so that's why there's only like 3 strawberries in here with those decorations, but I think those are super cute as well. Hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell so you can be notified every time I upload videos. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.